So you want to run in the Army, huh? Better yet, you want to learn how to run.
This is a cold war. Do you know what
What's this?
You want to run? Wait. You want to run in the military. Whoa. You want to run in the Army. Wait, even better.
What's so serious?
I am a U.S. soldier. I enlisted into the military in 2018. I've been in for close to a year, just about. I am a specialist. You better say it right, specialist. But anyway, we're gonna get into the story later. But the main topic is running. Under 5 minutes. You got your nice little kicks. Man, they fresh. So fresh. You can't run in these. In order to run just in general, I learned, for me, is I can't have these nice little things and run. The thing about Nikes and some of these fashion shoes is that, look, I don't think that's really support. I'm running these too. You want to run in the mall? Like, look, you can't eat your cake and have it too. So your shoes, right? I'm gonna show you what you should be wearing. Hold on. Should be running in these. Yep. The ugly little beaters, these. I was in basic training. They, how can I put this? They force you to have running shoes. And it's the reason why. Because the shoes that you have now, they don't do anything for you. You think you know your feet, but you don't know your feet. Just not getting into basic training. Yeah, you think you run, or hell, dude, look. These are the best shoes, trust me. I love shoes, I like shoes, but having the best set of running shoes is the best way to go about it. Trust me. Matter of fact, these look good because I just bought them. But this morning we actually went, surprisingly, first song was like, I'll tell you. Look, this was a 6 mile damn near run. And when I tell you, I felt like I was on cloud nine. For my promise you, I am not a runner, nor do I plan on being a runner, but I'm 190, lean muscle. You don't believe me? Serious Mindset. Instagram, Serious Mindset.
What's so serious?
Two. Breathing is a technique. Hold on. When you run, breathe in, mouth closed, blow it out. Look, I don't care who you are or what you say. Look, I'm not a marathon runner, but hey, look, I'm a muscle guy. So best believe I don't want to run, but look, sometimes when you have those mandatory runs, you have to show them that, look, I got this, Joe. Look, he can run. 3, you know you're gonna run. The day before, you pound down a whole bunch of water. Hydrate. I promise you, it will. Pull up. Oh, I think that was me. It will benefit you. It's nothing like being on a run and you get all dry, sticky mouth. Look, hey, again, I'm no expert. I'm just telling you from what I experienced and what I've done and what I didn't do. And when it happened, and I was just like, damn. I went out drinking, damn. Drinking soda. Well, I don't drink soda, but you know, drinking the little juices or whatnot. But that's number 3. Number 4. What is number 4? The hell? What's number 4? What the hell is number 4? Shit. the hell is number 4? Okay.
Why so serious?
Do me a favor. Share this with your friends. Sure. Make sure you put in the work if you're trying to run just in general. I mean, it doesn't have to be for just, you know, joining the army. It can just be a goal, just a goal in general. Just take those tips, use them food for thought. Again, I'm not a runner, I'm not an expert, I'm a bodybuilder. Check my resume. Watch your boy. But anyway, if you're struggling on your PT run and you just phase out, have a steady pace, make sure you control everything, make sure you understand what you're doing. You know, if you don't really want to do it, then why the heck you click on this video? No, I'm just, don't worry about that.
Why so serious?
Comment, share, what's up? Don't forget to like it.
Why so serious?
This is a cold war. Do you know what you
Why so serious?